Hello everyone, it's your favorite Senso Tech Jedi, Lisa here, and in this video we're going to talk about the command prompt module. So this module functions with elevated privileges. So operating as the system admin locally on the device, it is very useful for system admins who need to run maintenance scripts, troubleshoot issues, or manage the system configuration remotely. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into it. So over in your portal, if you are licensed to have this tool, you'll see that across the top you'll have command prompt. Go ahead and click on command prompt to slide out that window, and you'll see here that we can execute commands using the command prompt silently. So this is going to happen in the background. There's not anything going to pop up on there. This is going to run silently in the background on these Windows devices. So this is a great one to save as a shortcut. If you're going to utilize this all the time, you have lots of command line things that you need to keep track of, go ahead and think of this as the way to save these in one place so that you always have them in a nice bookmark list. So go ahead and save it as a shortcut so that when you're done, it's going to show up. Let me go ahead and let's run it, and I'll save it as a shortcut so you can see what that looks like. So I'm going to go over here to my Windows device. And on here on this Windows device, I can select it by going into tab view. I can select it by putting a check mark here in thumbnail view, or I can select it in list view, whichever it works for you on how to select this device. So here I'm just going to run an echo hello command, and I'm going to go ahead and run it. You'll see it doesn't run anything on the device. It runs silently on there, and then I get my information back here in this panel. So whatever I've run, I'm going to get the feedback in the panel. So as a shortcut, if this is something that I use all the time, make sure to save it as a shortcut. Call it, very clearly what it is. If you save and close it now, it will save and you can run it later at another time, or you can save and run, and then it will run right there. And then you'll get the module shortcut has been created, and now you'll see below command prompt I have this little figure right here, this little downward caret that if I click on and I run my echo hello, I didn't have to type in any of that information. It's a great little shortcut to have, and it's going to give me the feedback right here in the panel. Alright guys, that's command prompt. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!